In this video I'll be demonstrating how to vent. Ventilation is very important when fighting a fire. Two of the tools you'll definitely need is a K-12 or a chainsaw and a pike or a hook. Use any kind of ladder to get to the roof. Once you're on the roof, equip the K-12 saw. Use the right and left mouse buttons to operate it. A yellow square will appear on the piece of roof that you're cutting. Once the roof piece is cut, it will either fall through or just show up as loosened, and you can use the pike to poke the holes through the roof and expose the fire. So if we remember, we have water in our tower ladder, and we can use that to put water on the fire. That's the basics of ventilation on the roof. Next I'll show you how to ventilate from inside. Venting from inside is a little different. The main tool you want to have is the pike to be able to pull ceilings. Pulling ceilings allows the fire to be exposed so that the engine companies can gain access to the fire and put water on the fire. Any truck company on the roof can also push the ceiling in and assist the engine company from above. But if you need to pull ceilings from the inside, this is the way to do it. Hold the right mouse button and the left mouse button. Click the left mouse button to start poking holes in the ceiling. And just stand under the area that you want to pull ceilings. The more you know.